Are you ready for smooth, flawless skin? Welcome to MTH Health. Today, we explore Brazilian waxing. Millions love it. Why? It's not just a trend, it's a science. Brazilian waxing is unlike a regular bikini wax. It removes hair from all key areas. You get a clean, smooth result. Unlike shaving, which cuts hair at the surface, waxing pulls hair from the root. This means it lasts longer and feels softer as it grows back. Now, why is this method effective? When hair is removed from the root, growth takes longer, 3 to 6 weeks. With time, hair becomes softer and finer. Each session weakens hair follicles. Here's another perk. Waxing exfoliates skin too. It removes dead cells, leaving it smooth and radiant. Before waxing, preparation is vital. Gently exfoliate your skin to prevent ingrown hairs. Ensure your skin is clean. Avoid heavy lotions or oils. After waxing, avoid hot showers and tight clothing for 24 hours. Use soothing aloe vera or a calming moisturizer. For spotless results, schedule your waxing every 4 to 6 weeks. Is Brazilian waxing worthwhile? For many, it's a confidence booster. It offers a feeling of smoothness and comfort. When done by a pro, it's safe and effective. If you cherish high-quality skincare, it's worth every step. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and health insights. Thank you for watching MTH Health, where your well-being comes first.